course, I'm told there's a dispute over where to lay our sister to rest. That has never been the role of government. Otherwise, next the government will say to a married couple, the husband should sleep on the left, the wife should sleep on the right. We don't go that far. But we like order, and the state will not accept disorder in any form. Because it is only the state that has the capacity to impose its will. Now, none of you really has the capacity to impose your will. But the state, for now, is not interested in squabbles.
She insisted on telling me that, please, if something happens to me, which I suspected she knew she was going to die, then she said, you know what, please take me home to my father and my Aunt Julia, where they are buried. So that was the message she left with me. Now, if something happens that we fail to take this body home, I don't know what will happen.
Let us give her a good send-off. What we are doing here is not the right one. Failing to agree now, and then the judiciary decides, since you have not agreed yet, we are taking her back to the mortuary. From where back to the mortuary? How does that sound in your ears? What she needs is peace, not this string pulling here. Let us use Christianity to reach our hearts.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.